Welcome! Let me teach you how to make a burger bomb and keypad hacker in Happy's Humble Burger Farm. First, we head in to the little tunnel in the bathroom. And I can already see that we have 2 out of the 3 ingredients for the burger bomb. The last ingredient is the battery, which we can get from the vending machine. Alright, we got the battery. For onion, following along, the burger bomb is a beef patty, clock, and a battery. Alright, we got it. Okay, now let's get a battery for the keypad hacker. For anyone following along to make the keypad hacker, it is glue, a battery, and a transmitter. Bruh, how did I miss? Alright, there you go! Like and sub if you want to see me blow this up in the freezer. Peace out, y'all!